Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you work in the yard a lot and get scratches or thorn punctures? Well, that was happening to me all the time, so I got this amazing pair of leather gloves from OZERO. Now I can go out and cut down as many of the blackberry bushes as I want around our property and not worry about getting scratched or injured in any way. They also come so in handy when I'm dealing with sharp tools. That way I don't have to worry about getting cut. It's just safer to have the gloves on. I recently put down some hardware cloth in the garden and it has really sharp edges, so I was so thankful that I had these gloves because it kept my hands very protected. They're soft and they feel really good on your skin on the inside. I got size medium because I do have smaller hands, but a little bit bigger size glove allows me to wear a thinner glove on the inside if I want to, if I need more insulation. I appreciate that it has solid stitching, reinforced seams, and the palm has an extra piece of leather, so that comes in real handy when I'm pulling out blackberry bushes. I don't have to worry about that area getting worn down or somehow the thorns getting through. These gloves from OZERO should be the next pair that you get for use in the garden or around the yard. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.